of your mat, feet to touch, hands to heart center. And soften your eyes closed just for a moment, checking in with your breath, setting your intention. Full breath in together. Open mouth, let it go. One more like that, fully in. Let it go. Seal your lips. Ujjayi breath. Next, inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, cactus, open up. Inhale, reach back up, get some length. Exhale, sit down, chair pose. Breathe, spread the toes. Pushing down through your feet, breathe, squeeze your thighs. Deep, full breath. Sink your hips a little lower. Engage your core, Uddiyana. Tuck your chin. Lift your gaze. Breath in. Breath out. Last inhale. Exhale, forward fold, hips high. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, gaze to navel. Inhale, rise to stand, arms sweep up behind your left wrist. Exhale, lean to the right, fully out, reach. Inhale, back to center, switch. Exhale to the left, reach. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, sit back down, chair pose, just here for a breath. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, crawl forward to plank. Take a breath in. Exhale, lower to your belly, full breath out, untuck your toes. Inhale, cobra, lift up. Exhale, release. One more like that. Inhale, cobra, lift. Exhale, release, tuck your toes. Inhale, push up to plank. Exhale, drop to your knees, table. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose, round it out. Inhale, cow, extension. Exhale, cat, flexion. Couple more on your own breath. Option to add some free movement here with your hips, wrists, spine, whatever feels good. This is your practice. Listen to your body. Give it what it needs. Last inhale, gaze up, tuck your toes. Exhale, hips high, down dog. Breathe. Get a little bit of length. Get a little bit of width. Grounding in. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale, hips higher. Exhale, belly to spine, Uddiyana. Inhale, spread your fingers just a bit. Exhale, claw down and drop your shoulders. Breathe. From your shoulders to your elbows, internal or external rotation, so that the creases of your elbows face the front of the mat. Breathe. At the same time, elbow to wrist, internal rotation. Breathe. Last full breath. Let it go. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, walk or hop your way up, feet hips width. Inhale, halfway, grab your elbows. Exhale, ragdoll, let it go. Option to sway or bob gently. Couple breaths here. Pada Gustasana is an option. Peace sign, fingers to big toes. Just an option. Last breath. And release release your bind. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sit down, chair pose. Drop your hips. Option for a little pulse here for 3. Breathe. Last 2 breaths. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, stay, squeeze. Inhale to stand, reach up. Exhale, cactus out. Inhale, reach back up on your left wrist. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, back to center. Switch. Exhale, lean left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, swan dive all the way. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank, lower halfway, chaturanga, elbows in. Inhale, up dog, slowly. Exhale, down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Last full breath. Let it go. Inhale, left leg high, 3-legged dog. Exhale, crunch, knee to nose. Inhale, back to 3-legged. Exhale, scorpion out, open up, stack your hips, breathe. You could roll out your hip or ankle. 1 more full breath, option to rise to the ball of your right foot. Exhale, step through to low lunge. Simple twist. Inhale, left arm high. Exhale, back down. 1 more like that. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down. Get a little bit of width in your stance, setting up for high crescent. High on the ball of your back foot. Arms sweep up. Shoulders drop down. Breathe. Any little adjustments with your stance. The length and the width that you need to feel supported. Stacking your shoulders right over your hips. Take a breath. Refocus your gaze straight ahead. Squeeze your thighs tight. Breath in. Breath out. 1 more. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, cactus out, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, revolve, twist to the left. Left arm back, right arm forward. Inhale, get some length. Exhale, work the twist. Now exalt, inhale, right hand high. Stay for the exhale. 1 more breath in, reach. Exhale, cartwheel and pivot to the back. Warrior 2, facing the back. Breathe. Again, get the length you need to feel challenged in that front lunge. Both arms reach apart. Again, we're facing the back. Warrior 2, grounded. External rotation, right thigh. Palms up. Shoulders drop, palms down, breathe, both arms reach, that expansion across your chest. Breath in, breath out. Just a few more here. Come a little bit deeper into that front lunge, embracing that discomfort for 2 more. Full exhales. Last breath in. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, reverse triangle. Reach back. Exhale, triangle. Arms tick-tock. Option to shorten your stance. Heel toe that left foot forward a pace. Breathe. Both arms. Continue to reach apart. Keep your gaze high. Take a breath. 1 more like that. And bring your top arm forward, bicep to ear, inhale. Exhale, side angle, rebend that right knee, forearm to thigh. Breathe. If you shorten for triangle, get a little bit more length with that back foot. Top ribs roll back. Breathe it out. Keep that breath first. Option for the bind. Keeping that breath first though. Deep Ujjayi breath. Bandhas second. Mula Bandha pelvic floor squeeze. Breathe. Uddiyana belly tight. Breathe. Tuck your chin, Jalandhara, lift your gaze. Focus. Last two. One more breath. And release the bind. Inhale, top arm forward. Exhale, ground your left hand, low lunge. Get some width with that back foot. Inhale, simple twist, right arm high. Exhale, back down. Here we go. Inhale, right leg high, three-legged dog. Exhale, crunch, knee to nose. Inhale, back to three-legged. Exhale, scorpion out, open up. Breathe, option to roll your hip or your ankle. Stay with your breath. One more inhale, option to rise to the ball of your left foot. Exhale, step through to low lunge. Simple twist. Inhale, right arm high. Exhale, back down. One more like that. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down, setting up high crescent, facing the back of your mat. Get the width here. Heel toe that right foot out. Avoid that tight rope. Think train tracks with your feet. Breathe. Arms high, shoulders drop. Take a breath. Find that gaze. Lock that in, focus. Squeeze your thighs tight towards the bone. Take a breath. Fully out. Two more like that. Last breath here. And exhale, cactus out, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, revolve, twist to the right. Inhale, length, crown. Exhale, work the gaze back. Now exalt. Inhale, left hand high. Stay for the exhale. One more breath in, reach. Exhale, cartwheel forward and pivot back to the front of your mat. Warrior two. Yeah. Breathe. Again, get the length you need. Go for that edge on your front lunge. Your edge. Take a breath. Center your shoulders over your hips, reaching through that back arm as well. Both arms reach apart. Palms up, inhale. Exhale, shoulders drop, palms down. Breath in. Breath out. Two more. Last breath in. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, reverse triangle. Stay, exhale. One more breath in. Exhale, Trikonasana, triangle. Option to shorten your stance. Arms 12 and 6. Lift your gaze up. That same expansion as your arms reach apart. 6 reach, 12 reach. Crown length. Core tight. Last breath. Inhale, top arm forward, bicep to ear. Exhale, rebend that left knee, side angle. Get the length needed. Stacking your front knee over ankle, check if need. Now lift your gaze up. Roll your top ribs back. Tuck your bottom ribs under. Active reach. Option for that bind. Keep the breath first. Ujjayi. Force that through the nose. Make it audible. Now check in with your bandhas, all three. Mula, squeeze. Uddiyana, squeeze. Jalandhara, tuck. Lift your gaze up, rinsing out the spine. Go for that twist. Last 2 breaths. One more here. And release the bind. Inhale, top arm forward, reach. Exhale, ground your right hand, low lunge. Get that width with the back foot. Inhale, simple twist, left arm high. Exhale, back down. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, flow through vinyasa. Meeting in down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Let it go. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, crunch, knee, nose. Inhale, scorpion out. Exhale, stay. Inhale, rise to the ball of your right foot. Exhale, step through low lunge, simple twist. Inhale. Exhale, back down, set up high crescent. Inhale. Exhale, cactus out. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, revolve, twist to the left. Inhale, exalt, right hand high. Exhale, warrior 2 to the back. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, triangle. Inhale, top arm forward, reach. Exhale, side angle, rebend. Inhale, reach a bit further. Exhale, ground your left hand, low lunge. Inhale, right arm high. Exhale, back down. Inhale, right leg high, 3-legged. Exhale, crunch, knee, nose. Inhale, scorpion out. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, rise to the ball of your left foot. Exhale, step through low lunge. Simple twist. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, back down. High crescent. Inhale. Exhale, cactus out. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, revolve, twist right. Inhale, exalt, left hand high. Exhale, warrior 2 to the front. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, triangle. Inhale, top arm forward, reach. Exhale, side angle, rebend. Inhale, reach a bit further. Exhale, ground your right hand, low lunge. One more twist. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, your last vinyasa. Meeting in child's pose, knees wide, hips back, arms out long, rest your forehead on the mat, grounding in. Feel your breath, feel your heart. Take one more full breath. On your next inhale, shift your hips up and forward, modified up dog, drop your hips, gaze up. Option to point your toes. One last breath in. Exhale back to child's. And back to neutral table. Take a breath. When you're ready, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Take two more. Last breath. Inhale, shift forward to plank. Exhale, drop to your knees. And shift your left knee forward for half pigeon pose. Getting into the hips. Make any adjustments you need. Getting settled in that foundation. See if you can soften from here. Hip flexor, hip, glute. Option for a mini bend. Last breath. And release all the way down. Sleeping pigeon. Forearms all good. Or all the way down using your hands as a little pillow. Even better. Dropping in. Let go of all the clenching. Letting gravity take over now. And a few more full breaths. Sending those breaths to your hips, towards the tension. And when you're ready, slowly pushing yourself up. Tuck the back toes, shift the weight from your front knee back to table and roll out that left hip. A couple times in both directions. A couple leg extensions if that feels good. And when you're ready, you take the right side, shift your right knee forward, half pigeon pose. Adjust for that angle in the front leg. Option for that bend. Last breath. And sleeping pigeon pose all the way down. Dropping in right away. Keeping our focus inward. If you find the mind wandering, just come back to your breath. Last few breaths here. Full surrender, let it go. When you're ready, slowly come Coming up, tuck the back toes, shift your weight back to table for that hip roll. Roll it out. Both directions. Couple leg extensions. Meeting in a Sphinx pose. Just dropping to your belly. Shoulders stacked over elbows. This will be our front side opener today. And if you'd like a deeper bend, you can play with full seal, bringing your hands closer to your chest and getting full extension with your arms. If that doesn't feel good, you can go back to Sphinx, still working that front side body. A few deep breaths here. We'll all meet in Sphinx. Setting up for half frog. Pop that right knee out. Settle into that. And extend your right arm in front of your mat. And we're threading the needle. Left arm threads under the right. Roll into supine twist. Any adjustments you need with your hips. And dropping in. That same sense of surrender here. Full body. From your hips through your chest. Let it all go. When you are ready, no rush, slowly back to your belly. Neutral Sphinx, pull that right knee in. And we'll switch it, pop the left knee out, half frog. Feel that for a breath. Threading the needle, left arm straight out, right arm threads through, rolling into supine twist. Any little adjustments you need, modifications, all good. Toning the spine, bringing balance to the nervous system, calming. Few more deep breaths into your spine, send it. And slowly coming onto your back from here. Finish that roll onto your back and recenter onto your mat. One round of windshield wipers just to seal it off, knees side to side. When you're ready, pull your knees into your chest for a tight squeeze. Wrap up, squeeze a little tighter. Flex both of your feet. Squeeze even tighter. Lift your forehead up to your knees. Last squeeze everything tight. And release. Shavasana. Take up all the space that you need. Any last adjustments that you need. Finding stillness together. Integrating the practice. Awareness back to your breath, and adding some small movement to your toes and fingers, little wiggles. When you're ready, full body stretch like you just got out of bed. Reach your arms overhead, point your toes, reach, and roll onto your right side, fetal pose. Take a moment here in fetal. Back to your intention. And shout out some gratitude. Another day, another breath, another opportunity. And when you're ready, slowly up to a comfortable seat, Sukhasana. And bring your hands to heart center. And full breath in together. Open mouth, exhale. One more like that. Fully in. Empty out. Hands to third eye. Clear thoughts. Hands over mouth. Loving communication. And hands over heart, pure intention. Back to third eye. We bow. Namaste. Thank you for joining. I'll see you on the next one.